Hello, my name is Joshua Garay, and welcome to the tip of the day. Today I want to speak to you about the advantage of purchasing a triple net property. If you're doing a 1031 exchange, or you just want to put money into a safe property where you have to do virtually zero work, the ideal property for you to purchase is a triple net lease property. So what does that mean? Number one, it means that the taxes are paid for by the tenant. Number two, it means that the insurance is covered by the tenant. And number three, it means that all of the maintenance for the property is covered by the tenant as well. So in effect, there's not much for you to do except sit back, relax, and collect your rent check on a monthly basis. Additionally, when purchasing a triple net property, you want to make sure that the tenant is hopefully corporate backed, so that in the event that the tenant goes out of business, there's a corporation that backs that lease. And number two, you want to make sure that there is a long-term lease in effect. Maybe it's 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, with various options to renew. For more information regarding triple net leases, please feel free to contact me or to go to my website, www.garayrealestate.com. Thank you very much.